In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant error VAN185. At first, search for services in the start menu and open it. Click on any service in the middle section, then press V on your keyboard. Locate VGC at the top and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic. Ensure that start is selected under service status. Click apply and then OK. Next, search for Firewall and Network Protection in the Start menu. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. At the top, click Change Settings. Scroll down and click Allow another app. Click Browse and navigate to the folder where Valorant is installed. Locate and select the Valorant-win64-shipping.exe file. Click Open, then Add. Make sure both checkboxes next to Valorant are checked. Click OK and exit the window. If the above methods don't work, try uninstalling both Valorant and Vanguard. Restart your PC. Download and reinstall Valorant from the official website. Launch the game and see if the error is fixed. That's it. These steps should help you fix Valorant error code VAN185. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.